Hi buddy, it's Derek from 9D Diagnostics. What have we got in the workshop today? We've got a Chevrolet Matiz in the workshop and the customer's complaining of a noise coming from the car when they're driving. We've diagnosed the problem down to the driver's side rear wheel bearing. It's quite noisy. We can get the noise when we're driving and also when we have the car up in the air when it's spinning. So the customer's given us to go ahead to replace the wheel bearing. We've got the new one in here at the moment, so I'm just going to set up the camera and I'm going to show you what the actual wheel bearing looks like. So I'm going to set that up now and we'll have a quick look. Okay, so this is your drum here. This is where the wheel bearing goes in. This is one of the new wheel bearings that has gone in here. And there are actually two. There's one on the opposite side. So I'll just show you them here on the bench. This is the one that goes on the opposite side. The bearing has what's called an inner race, and this is what the bearing sits into. And you can see all them little ball bearings in there. That sits in there, and when the wheel is spinning, these turn. And I can actually feel this grinding in here. And then you've got the one on the outside, same thing again, it has an inner race and then the little bearings. And this one actually feels okay, but you get both bearings in the kit, so we go ahead and we will replace both of them. As I said, both of them have gone into the drum here, and then your drum goes onto your hub and then it's bolted back up. There's a specific torque on this because it's a tapered bearing, so it's tightened on and then brought back and held in with a split pin. So we're going to crack on ahead now with this and get the job finished for the customer. But that's what a wheel bearing looks like. This is a very old type of wheel bearing. You don't see many of these anymore, but it is quite interesting to have a look at it and do. So yeah, have a good one. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this back together. So this is your hub here, and our drum is going to go back over this. Wheel bearings are all in. There we go, nice fit. Spins nicely. And then we go and we put our nut back in. So we wind this up. Let's get a better grip with the cloth. Now, the tightening on this, specific, you do not air gun this into place. You bring this up with your multi-grips. You bring it up tight, and then you bring it back a turn, and that's it. And your split pin goes through a little hole in here to hold that in place so it does not come out. And that is it, job is done. We'll bring this for a test drive and just make sure everything is good on it. But other than that, and then our little cap goes over. And our job is done. No noise, no bumps, no bangs. Perfecto.